Do human beings only use 10% of their brain capacity? I'm sure you have often heard that from movies like Lucy, Limitless, and even some popular TV shows. In this video, I will tell you with proven facts if this is just a myth or it's really true. I mean really true, that we can be superheroes, just like Superman and Wonder Woman, if only we could unlock the other 90% brain capacity remaining. The idea that our brains are only minimally used is a complete misunderstanding of how our brains work. In fact, every part of our brain is constantly active. Yes, I said it, our brain is constantly active in some way, even when we are sleeping. To understand why this myth is so wrong, we need to dive into the structure of the brain. Please tighten your seatbelts because we are really getting into it. You see through these explanations that there's no unused part of our brain waiting to be unlocked. To begin, the brain has three main parts: the cerebrum, the cerebellum, and the brainstem. The cerebrum is the largest part of the brain and is responsible for thinking, learning, and controlling movement. It is divided into two hemispheres, the left and the right, that communicate with each other to perform various tasks. The cerebellum is located at the back of the brain and helps with coordination, balance, and fine motor skills. The brainstem is located at the base of the brain and regulates many of the body's vital functions, such as breathing, heart rate, and blood pressure. The brain communicates with the rest of the body through a network of nerves, which send and receive signals. This allows us to see, hear, touch, taste, and smell. Additionally, the brain is responsible for our emotions, memories, and decision-making abilities. Different regions of the brain are involved in processing and responding to different emotions, such as fear, happiness, and sadness. So, we see that there is no unused part of our brain ready to be unlocked. But one of the reasons this myth persists is because of the complex nature of the brain. While it's also true that scientists are still uncovering new information about how the brain works. Another reason this myth is problematic is that this is often used to promote pseudoscientific products or services that claim to unlock our hidden brain potential. This kind of misinformation can be dangerous and lead to waste of money on products that absolutely do nothing to improve their cognitive abilities. So, the question I'm pretty much sure most of you are asking yourself right now is, if we're not using 10% of our brain, how much are we really using? Studies have shown that every part of our brain is valuable and contributes to our overall cognitive abilities. Instead of focusing on unlocking some mythical unused potential, we should focus on taking care of our brains through healthy lifestyle choices like regular exercises, good nutrition, and mental stimulation. Here are some good lifestyle choices you can practice to help keep your brain healthy. 1. Exercise regularly. Studies have shown that exercising regularly can help increase blood flow to the brain, which promotes brain health and cognitive function. 2. Maintain a healthy diet. A diet high in fruits, vegetables, whole grains, and lean proteins can help improve brain health and function. 3. Get enough sleep. Sleep is crucial for cognitive function and memory consolidation. Aim for at least 7 to 8 hours of sleep a night. 4. Stay socially active. Maintaining social connections with friends and family can help reduce stress and improve brain health. 5. Manage stress. Chronic stress can have negative effect on brain health and function. Practice stress-reducing techniques like meditation, yoga, or deep breathing. 6. Challenge your brain. Engage in mental activities that challenge your brain, such as puzzles, crosswords, or learning a new skill. 7. Limit alcohol consumption. Excessive alcohol consumption can have negative effect on brain health and cognitive function. It's important to note that while these lifestyle choices can help promote brain health, they won't guarantee complete prevention of cognitive decline. Now, from all we have seen, we know that the idea that humans use 10% of their brain capacity is a complete myth. Our brains are constantly active and integral to our cognitive performance. We should beware of pseudoscientific claims that promote unlocking hidden brain potential and instead focus on maintaining health through healthy lifestyle. And maybe toward this means we can become smarter, like we can see in the movie Kyle XY. The brain adapts to the condition we set ourselves, so if we practice good habits like the habits to become a smart learner, we will surely develop our brain to an upper level. The video link is just in the description below, the 5 habits to become a smart learner. You can also see it at the top right corner of this video. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, be sure to hit the thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more mind-bending content like this. Before you go, here are 3 interesting and surprising facts about the human brain that you might not know. 1. Did you know that some people have an incredibly rare condition called savant syndrome that allows them to perform incredible feats of memory and mental calculation? One savant was able to recite pi to over 22,000 decimal places. 2. Our brains are incredibly efficient at recognizing faces and can identify familiar faces in as little as 100 milliseconds. This ability is due to the brain's specialized fusiform gyrus, which is responsible for face recognition. 3. Finally, here's another myth buster for you. While it's true that we don't use 100% of our brains at once, it's definitely not true that we only use 10%. In fact, scientists estimate that we use closer to 100% of our brain capacity, just not all at once.